Let's crack the egg and we'll put the egg in there. We'll see what you've got. What have you got in there? Oh, it was a dinosaur. So Marley's cracking the eggs and cooking dinosaur surprise. What's another dinosaur? Let's have a look at this dinosaur. So Marley's cracking them and putting them in the pot. Better give it a stir. Give it a stir. Oh, give it a mix. Mix. Next egg, we've got a pink egg. It's another dinosaur. Let's pop it in. Crack the egg. Here we go. There's the pink egg. Oh, it's all empty now. Better give it another mix. Give it another mix. Mix. Oh, they're coming along nicely. Next egg, this one's green.
No.
Oh, you don't want the green egg. Oh! The egg popped open. You're going to put the dinosaur in. It's cooking over here. Oh, you're putting it back in the egg. Now crack it into here. Crack the egg in. There we go. Here's the next dinosaur. Okay, have you got some more to crack? I think there's two more. Two more to crack. Here's a yellow one. Crack it open. Now pop it in. Oh, lovely. Better give it a stir, give it a mix, give it a nice stir with the spoon. Stir, it's coming. How's the cooking going? More you want? Oh, we've got an orange one, an orange egg. There we go, tip it in. Okay, we're making our dinosaur omelette. We're making our Tyrannosaurus omelette. Okay, we need a stir. Stir it around. I think we better change pots. So maybe we'll tip it. That's alright. We better tip into the blue pot. Tip from the red pot into the blue pot. There we go. Now give it a little stir. Stir with this one. Awesome. Time to eat the dinosaur omelette. Oh, you're putting in the green pot. This is quite a complicated cooking technique. Oh no, one fell out. Oh, we've got to tip it in, that's right. Good job. Now what do we do with our dinosaur omelette?